In the earlier video, we studied about active and passive voice. Now, in this video, we'll study about changing from active to passive. Let's revise once. In short, active voice looks at the action from the point of view of the agent, and the passive voice looks at the action from the point of view of the person or object affected by the action. So, the choice of which voice to use depends on what we want to emphasize, what we want to put emphasis on, like the agent, the thing, or the person affected by the action of the agent. See, there are two voices, active and passive. Active voice is the basic type. See, passive voice with object complement. When a verb is followed by an object complement, the object becomes a subject in passive voice. However, the complement remains the same. See, you will understand with the help of example. They crowned him king. The sentence is in active voice. When the sentence is transformed, passive voice, when the sentence is transferred into passive voice, it becomes was crowned king. They crowned him king. This is an active form. The king was crowned by them. See, when the sentence is transformed into passive voice, it becomes he was crowned king. Was crowned. It's in passive voice. The object, he was crowned king. The object, him, becomes a subject. However, the complement king remains the same. Here are some more special cases in passive voice. Passive voice with verb plus object preposition. See, in some sentences, construction, the passive voice, another appropriate preposition is used instead of by. Let's look at some example. The attempt impressed the judges. It's an active voice. Answer is, means when we change from active to passive, the judges were impressed by their attempt. One more example. We know the truth. We know the truth. It's an active. And when we change it to passive, it becomes the truth is known to us. It's in passive. Simon want, or we can say Simon married Rina. So when it becomes Rina was married to Simon. Another case is passive voice with infinitive. See, when an infinitive without to appears in the active voice, it changes into an infinitive with to. In active voice, in passive voice. See one example. We made her sing on the trip. It's an active voice. See, sing is the bare infinitive, means sing is without to. When this sentence is transferred into passive voice, See, when this sentence is transferred into passive voice, it becomes she was made to sing on the trip by us. Okay, now here to sing is full infinitive. That means it is with to. When the sentence changes from active voice to passive voice, the word sing changes to sing. If we change the voice of interrogative sentences, the structure of the question remains the same. In the passive voice, the verb still appears before the subject. For example, can they win the match? See, this is an active voice. It becomes, can the match be won by them? It's in passive voice. Next, the auxiliary verb do, does, did. Auxiliary verbs such as do, does, did, used in yes or no questions. It changes into is, am, was in the passive voice. For example, did she cook this meal? It's an active voice. And in passive voice it becomes, was the meal cooked by her? This is in passive voice. The auxiliary verb now. Auxiliary verbs have, has, had, used in yes no questions, change into have been plus past participle of the verb in the passive voice. For example, have you dried the clothes? The sentence is in active voice. Now it becomes in passive voice, have the clothes been dried by you? Then modals such as can, could, may, might, etc. do not change. However, they are used along with be plus past participle. For example, can they lay the foundation? In passive it becomes, can the foundation be laid by them? Okay. The next case is, an imperative sentence can be a command, request, or a suggestion. An imperative sentence can be a command, request, or suggestion. Let us see how imperative sentences can be changed into passive voice. And also, when a sentence expresses a command or order, the passive structure of sentence will start with let. The imperative verb changes into be plus participle. For example, do not speak ill of people. The sentence is in active voice. In passive voice, let people not be spoken ill of. Next case, sometimes the phrase you are requested to is placed before the imperative verb. For example, kindly move to the front of the room. In passive voice, you are requested to move to the front of the room. The phrase you are requested to is both speech and the phrase you are requested to is placed before the imperative word move. Then passive voice is used in both speech and writing. However, it is used more in formal writing to write letters, notices, announcement, newspaper, report, etc. We have learned that active and the passive. We have learned about the active and the passive. Let's look at few more examples. They gave me a prize. A prize was given to me by them. She sent me a parcel. A parcel was sent for me by her. So these were a few examples and these were a few cases. We have learned a lot about active and passive. Hope it is clear to you all. Now we have one more exercise given at the end of the chapter. I think this will make your concept more clear. Change the voice. Here you have to change from active to passive and from passive to active. First sentence is, all the dishes have been cooked by Gopalan. Gopalan has cooked all the dishes. Close the windows immediately. Let the windows be closed immediately. We shall do whatever you tell us. Whatever you tell us will be done. These rooms are cleaned every day. Somebody cleans these rooms every day. We have received no information regarding this matter. No information regarding this matter has been received by us. It is said that honesty is the best policy. People say that honesty is the best policy. Every year, thousands of pilgrims visit this holy site. Every year, this site is visited by thousands of pilgrims. The fort was surrounded by the enemy. The enemy surrounded the fort. The whole floor was covered with a beautiful carpet. A beautiful carpet covered the whole floor. The farmers plowed the land and sowed seed. The land was plowed and seeds were sown by the farmers. Pele has scored more than 1,000 goals. More than 1,000 goals have been scored by Pele. This message should be given to him as soon as possible. He should be given this message as soon as possible. We are going to decorate this room with flowers. This room is going to be decorated with flowers by us. John could not remember the address of Jeff's house. The address of Jeff's house could not be remembered by John. The magician entertained the children with his tricks. The children were entertained by the magician with his tricks. So that's all. We'll do this exercise in our notebook. Thank you.